Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2017 Mitsubishi Triton GLX Plus dual cab ute, stock reference number 5070. This shape runs from the 4th month 2015 and is the current shape. It has a 4N15 2.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual 4-wheel-drive transmission. 4N15 2.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a flat tyre. Left power door mirror, left rear door appears to have no damage, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left tail light, tidy rear bumper, factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and neck. Tailgate has 3 small dents, right tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door appears to have no damage, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, manual type console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, factory touchscreen CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.